NCPlayer is a complementary and license-free product within the NCSimul universe, allowing you to create improved workshop synergy between programmers and machinists. The idea is simple. Instead of, or in addition to, setup sheets, create a viewer file providing full process transparency, usable on any Windows-based platform. Here's how to create the file and share it with anyone in the company or with external vendors requiring process strategy verification. First, in the simulation ribbon, change the simulation type to 3D movie. In actuality, you will be creating a fully interactive environment, not just a video file, but the purpose of this step is to store the material removal within the player file. After reaching the end of the program, close out the simulation ribbon, returning to the Programming tab. From here, click Save All. This file resides within the working environment for NCSimul by default. To locate it easily, right-click on the active machine and choose to Open Containing Folder. This accesses your file save location in case it is not defaulted. Level up to your overall work environment name, often your machine name, and locate the PRJ folder. Simply copy the relevant .ncsprj file and paste it to your location of choice. For example, alongside your proven G-code, where the machines are accessing programs slated for production. Now, the users on the floor can easily discern programming strategies, visualize the part after each operation, and even take in-process, on-machine measurements, comparing them to the simulation in real time. The file remains locked for modification of the setup, tools, or G-code, so it ensures that the programmer's strategies are the final ones used. Take advantage of a feature that you already have access to and enhance the documentation available at the machine before and during each program cycle.